हमारे कई सारे मेहमान हैं आज, so I think it'd be nice if you behaved yourself.
Well, Aviraj, you should practice what you preach. I am behaving myself, am I not?
Anyway, हमारी नोक झोंक तो चलती रहेगी, but on behalf of the Morpurs and Royal B&B, I would like to welcome all of you to the Royal Palace.
Hello, Bhumi. No. Ready? Yes. For that, let me hold on. I'll just go a little like this. Yeah. Yeah. Better.
Better.
Yeah. Okay. And
Kirtana,
hello.
is this position okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we can.
पर आप मैम से भी क्वेश्चन पूछोगे ना कि फिर से फिरकी लोगे आप?
फिर किस बिल्कुल नहीं लूँगा.
बिल्कुल.
She might just tackle you this time.
हाँ हाँ.
No, मैं
मेरे पास आम पन्ना है.
सौगंध खा के. Mommy. Okay. All right, Bhumi, my question's for you. You are truly the smart and stylish boss lady in the show. Now, this is a very women-first show from creators, writers, and a legendary and talented cast. How does it feel to be a part of such a team of powerhouse women? Were you right here, and did that all push you to say yes for the role of Sophia?
You know, honestly, it was the script that pushed me to, that made me just jump on this idea. Like everybody on this table, I love. I am, the genre of rom-coms, romance, is hands down my most favorite. Every time I go onto Netflix, I'm like, आज कुछ नया rom-com आया है, हम क्या explore कर सकते हैं? I remember it was 2023 November when Rongita and I got in touch. Tanya called me. She's like, you know, there's this thing. I think you're gonna love it. Just read it. मुझे dengue था, मैं hospital में थी. And she just told me it's a romance. मैंने बुखार में Royals पढ़ना शुरू किया. Because I was like, it's a romance? That's so rare. That doesn't happen. And I just couldn't stop. I remember telling my team then that, can I get another episode? एक और episode. करके मैंने पूरी series पढ़ ली थी. And I have to say that it's by far been one of my most wholesome experiences. The time all of us spent together is something that till date we cherish. I've made some really close friends on this set. It is just a safety net that you fall back on. And I'm just very lucky that I got to play Sophia, because there are so many shades in her. You know, she's powerful, she is stubborn, but that's the most beautiful thing about her. She's just strong, and she is nurturing, and she is loving. And I feel like there's a lot of those little nuances and aspects that I've picked up from all these wonderful women that I shared space with while shooting. So thank you so much. Thank you so much, all of you.
Well, बुखार में shoot करना शुरू किया, definitely amped up the temperature, and you love, we love you. Thank you.
Sachin, you're going crazy with your one-liners. I'm like, what is he going to come up with next? अब अविराज के लिए कुछ नहीं निकला ना, तुम देख लो. Hold on.
But just tell me, you love me.
We'll see.
No, come on. Okay. So, Mukhi, yeah, I love you. Yeah. 9-8 later. Okay. मेरा अगला सवाल है ईशान के लिए. सवाल पूछूं इससे पहले मैं सभी को बता दूं, यहाँ पे आज कोई 6-पैक एब्स की नुमाइश नहीं होने वाली है.
बहुत शुक्रिया आपका सर.
वो पेशकश आपके लिए सिर्फ 9 तारीख को
हम निकल रहे हैं. बाय.
रॉयल.
हम जा रहे हैं. हम क्यों आए यहाँ?
But come on, he's definitely lit. Come on, give it up for Ishan Khatter and his super, if I could use this word, sexy abs. Yeah.
And it's phenomenal work.
Of course, undeniable.
But first the
Well,
abs. We have to highlight there's 6 of them. Chiseled. Maybe 8 on a good day.
I know.
Okay, so few instructions I have to follow in the darbar, so I'm going to, so that I don't block any. Here we go. Yeah, perfect. Is it perfect? All right, Isha.
आप उठ के झुक भी सकते हैं सर.
I think आपको उनको block कर दिया. आप इधर
कहीं ना कहीं किसी से किस we're good. I got to know. We're good. So we're good. Yeah. Apologies अगर किसी को मेरी पीठ दिखाई दे रही है और मैं ईशान को ब्लॉक कर रहा हूँ. पर ईशान
आखिरकार सवाल पूछ ही लीजिए.
प्लीज. भाई multitasking, no? So, wish all royalty looked as regal, Ghode Par Sawar, like you do, and we've seen you, Ghode Par Sawar playing polo, all very, very royal. Now, was there a particular inspiration you drew from to bring Aviraj Singh, the Maharaj of Morpur, to life, and how did you prepare to actually embody such a royal persona? Body.
Just reminding you, body.
Start talking about my body of work now. Well, first of all, very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आप सबका. How did I prepare, and was there an inspiration? I think the writers probably had references, inspirations, those which, if I take the names, perhaps we will be shut down, so maybe I shouldn't. But all jokes apart, I think being that it's sort of a modern satire on modern royals, I think the inspirations were young royals, and beyond that, what was most inspiring to me was the inner world of this character, because on the face of it, this is a very bingeable, snackable, fun show with all the fluff, with all the fun, with all the shimmer. But as you go deeper into it, you start seeing the inner world of these characters, and you start seeing the cracks, and there is meat on the bone. And as an actor, that was very exciting to me, is that you get to play both of these, these aspects. Yeah, I think that's what was most inspiring to me. And then I had a very inspiring team. I was padded with a set of wonderful, wonderful first women, which seems to be a recurring theme in my career. I think more than 50% of my collaborators in leading roles in the roles of directors, cinematographers, have actually been women. So I'm kind of molded by women creators, and I think it made my job that much easier because I had that gaze to fall back on, and because it's a romance, I was just like, tell me what you need to do, and I will have it delivered. So first of all, the inspirations were the creators. So big hat tip and salutes to all of you. The producers, the studio, the directors, lovely directors that we have, who walked with us hand in hand every step of the way. So yeah, that was pretty much it. And beyond that, what did I do to prepare and embody? Nothing. यार घुड़सवारी सीखी हमने. That was pretty exciting. We were told कि हाँ 2-2.5 महीने हैं, become a polo prodigy. which was a bit of a task, but happy to report that my brother and I, we did 2.5 months of training, but did all our stunts ourselves. So we're horse riders now, and we love it. And now I ride for passion. So that was one of the things. And baki show mein dekh lijiye.
Well, you aced it, and how? We just saw the trailer, the glimpse of it, and you were lit. Wasn't he? Wasn't he? Yeah? Thank you. And I like the word that you use. It's snackable content, yeah? Thank you for that.
That's how they sold me. If I may add, I also had the good pleasure of meeting with Rongita and Ishita and the Pritish Nandi PNC team in back, I think, September 2023. And they gave me these scripts, and there were 8 scripts. And they said, I said, कि मुझे हफ्ता भर दे दीजिए, and I'll try and get back to you, I'll read them. Because there were 8 scripts, I didn't know how long they were, whether they were 60 pages, 100 pages. So they said, take 10, and I read them in 1.5 days. So that's how bingeable this show really is.
Wow. For his hard work, for everybody's hard work, but you, hats off. And the 2.5 months of effort to both of you as well. Yeah? Rani sir, Khamma Ghani, फिर से एक बार, आप तो हर घर की शान रही है. Now you seem to have mastered the art of handling many large families. Now how was it to head this one? Cause this one seems definitely a lot.
Really? Am I supposed to look after the family here? I'm too busy looking after my diamonds and taking care of my jewels and my property and my palaces. So this time the focus is on myself. I'm looking after myself.
No, but you are, as always, so graceful. And even besides the trailer, the walk we were bowled over. So thank you for
Thank
all
you.
this. Yeah, and yeah, Ishan, what were you saying?
I was saying.
No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Okay. Chanki ji, my next question's for you. Royalty or shararat, dono go hand in hand, just like your personality. What was it like bringing your signature humor into this royal world?
First of all, I'm true blue royal sitting on the wrong side of the bench. I should be there. I'm king of comedy. Self-proclaimed, by the way. I've given myself that title. In fact, in college, I was called Your Highness because I was always high. I'm joking. But, you know, coming to the lighter side of it, what did I bring to this was the first time I met a royal, I didn't know whether to shake his hand, do namaste or touch his feet. And I thought Hukum was his first name because everyone kept calling him Hukum, Hukum. So I asked him, Hukum, what's your surname? I didn't know Hukum means Maharaj or, you know, like the boss. So I had these little fumbling problems when I met royals for the first time. So I got that into this show, I think. I tried to do a little bit of overacting, but then this beautiful woman team actually controlled me and said, relax. You're not in Houseful, you're in Royals. So I was like, really, they had a little, they had a leash and I was being controlled, but I really enjoyed, I had a great time. And I hope I come in the part 2 also of it. Thank you. And yes, I was a last moment addition. So while these boys learned polo in 2 months, they only gave me 2 days to learn polo. And I played with them. But that was a lot of fun. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, this house full of the royals, we welcome you and thank you for always being high on life. My next question is for Priyanka Ghosh. Hi, Priyanka.
Hello.
Aapka direction to kamal hai. And what was your approach to directing a cast with such different energies that we are witnessing here as well, from industry legends to some of the most talented young actors in the industry right now?
Okay, I'll tell you a secret. They're all children. And they just want to have fun. They just want to play. And I think I just played along with them, and my job was to just keep nudging them and teach them how to have more fun. So that's what we did through this entire show. So we just have fun, right, guys? Come on, yeah. You heard about the polo and all of that.
Yeah. And we can feel the fun here, right here when we saw the trailer as well, and can't
Yeah.
wait for the 9th of May. So thank you so much.
Fingers crossed. Thank you.
Nupur, my next question is for you. Here we go. Hi, Nupur. Well, आपके frames में एक अलग ही charm होता है. Even from the little glimpse we saw in the trailer, the show already has so much personality in every scene. How did you work with this cast to bring out the quirks and chemistry?
Well, as Priyanka said, we had a lot of fun together, but I think we also did some rehearsals, workshops, and we tried to get to the truth of every character and to find an honest bone in that character and to pull that out. So even when you're having fun, there's always some other subtext. And when you get to the soul of the character, when the emotion comes in, so then it's all very seamless. And you see the layers in every character then. You know, you can be fun on the outside, but what else are you going through inside? So we explored all of that, and that was great fun. And the show has very quirky relationships and quirky characters. And actually, the characters are quirky and the relationships are really fresh and very... I know ये हटके word बहुत overuse हो चुका है, but the relationships are very, very interesting to watch in the show, and I think that we've managed to pull them out really, really well. At least I hope so.
In this couple of minutes, we actually are hooked onto it, so can't wait to binge watch it. So wish you the best. Thank you so much. Vihan, my next question is for you. Now, you look like you'd break a few royal rules, but we saw you trying to rein in chaos, which is your true personality. True to your personality, isn't it?
That I'm a chaotic person?
No, just bring in the chaos, bring in the madness, bring in the kalesh.
I enjoy that. So I've played things before that are a bit more chill. I think this time I really wanted to go into something that was a bit more meaty, a bit more chaotic. I mean, you've seen stuff where I'm yelling and screaming, and you've seen stuff where I'm beating a chicken to the ground. A killed chicken, not a real chicken, like a live chicken. So I enjoy that. I do enjoy that. And I enjoyed playing polo. My horse, Charlie, was my best friend for 2.5. Yeah. Yeah, for my 2.5 months of sessions, I saw him more than I saw my own family. I think, honestly, okay, all jokes apart, I think this show has given everyone the opportunity to go deep. And that is the best thing you can expect for an actor, to be very honest with you. I mean, it's not like, kal shoot hai, aa jao, 6 baje. You know, it's just like, hey, we want to do this in 3 months' time. So yes, I think I have a little bit of chaos. I don't think I'm a very chaotic person, but the role can be quite chaotic, and I really like it. Yeah.
Yeah, and you know, you definitely, your efforts have been paid off. And give our love to Charlie, please.
Thank you. He'll appreciate it.
Kavya, my next question is for you. आपके अंदाज में एक शाही elegance है, right? So let me start by asking you, who's your favorite brother from the show? And okay, but don't answer that.
Oh.
Don't answer that. Wait.
Bro. This is super. Kavya, just take my name.
Okay.
Kavya, just take one of our
Brother
names.
has gotten me lots of bags, lots of shoes, lots of good older brother friends who's given me extra arm.
But I give you a tap on the shoulder.
I know. So the question is, who's my favorite brother?
No, the question is instead, now you already answered it. You know, we have to wait and watch in the Royals who's your favorite brother to actually figure out. But my question is, how was the experience of diving into something so visually rich and character-driven?
Honestly speaking, I was very, very excited when I first got to know about the makers, the cast, and eventually I just wanted to be completely open, to be moldable, to be directed. And my favorite takeaway was the fact that I come from a household of only women. That's mom, sister, cats, even they're women, dogs, even they're women. So I found myself a pair of brothers. So I'm very excited about the fact that it's a big takeaway for family. And the most exciting part that I will take back home is just the arcs and the complexities and the fact that you can see yourself in each and every character. And at some point, you'll just forget that you're watching something, but it's a story about yourself. And I really like that. That was my most exciting part. Like, I want to watch this show. I want to binge this show. I want to root for the women in this show. I want to see myself as a boss woman in this show. And I want you guys to just really lap it up and enjoy it and binge watch it and tell your grandparents and your little younger siblings to watch it too. So
A big shout out to the girl power there.
For us also, yaar. Root for ऐसा मत करो यार. Exclude मत करो यार. Root for us also. Yaar.
and love everyone who's in this show. I mean, guys, look at us.
We do
Look
already
at us.
love. Thank you. And another true definition of hotness, I've said another. Do you know my questions for you? You've done intense roles recently. Was it fun to loosen up in this playful space of romance and palace politics?
Hi.
Right, you know.
Can you repeat the question?
I will repeat. You've done, intense roles recently, and was it fun to loosen up with this playful space of romance and palace politics?
Oh yeah, absolutely. When Rongita brought me this show, I was like, what are you giving me now? And hey Bhumi, how you doing? This is exactly what I do in the show. I'm Salahuddin, the Nawab of Alsipur, and he's a flirt. And he's chivalrous and charming. And he's crazy and he's whacked out. And there's a lot more of him in season 2. Hey Tanya, how you doing? But yeah, it was a fun ride. It was fantastic. I had a great time shooting it, especially Salahuddin. Can I tell them the short for Salahuddin? I'm Nawab Salahuddin, but you can call me Salad. Wait, if you like the dressing. You can call me Salad if you like the dressing. I hope you got it. You did. Okay. So yeah, I had a laugh on the set, and most importantly, all these beautiful people, everything everyone has said about them is absolutely true. There's no lies. except for there's no lies. It was really good. So I had a great time, and I want to thank you all for giving me this opportunity.
And everybody right now is just echoing this sentiment that the salad is quite sumptuous.
The salad is yummy. Let's say that. You want some salad? You're on a diet now, Bhumi.
Okay.
I'm feeling so many things right now I can't explain.
This interview now is just Dino and everyone. That's it. That's
What is this new feeling I'm feeling?
Sumukhi, यहाँ हूँ मैं.
Yes.
कैसे भूल गई?
Sachin, what's up?
What's up?
How's it going?
Pretty good.
Sachin,
Pretty
let me ask you a question.
good. No. You ain't turning the tables, please.
Damn it.
Okay, my question to you. आपकी timing और तड़का दोनों लाजवाब है. We love you, love you, love you for that. How much of your character was Kirtana and how much of it was you? Because it seems a lot like Sumukhi through and through.
It's a personal question. Yeah, it's a personal question. How much of it is personal? Yeah, the thing. Okay, I don't know how to directly answer that question. It is funny like me, hopefully. But क्या है कि my character was also thanks to really Rongita, Nupur and Priyanka and the writers, they really allowed me to improv. तो मैं अपना ही कर रही थी. Literally, I was not in the frame, मुझ में mic था भी नहीं, and I was just in the frame. At one point, I've done this to Bhumi's hair. क्योंकि मुझे काम नहीं था frame में, I said मुझे डाल दो please. So really, yeah. So that part of me is definitely me. But I genuinely had a blast because which comedian gets the biggest opportunity to do whatever they want and have that freedom कि तू next take पे कुछ और कर ले. You know, so this was my mehboob moment. So I really appreciate it. So thank you. Yeah.
Sumukhi, अब कुछ भी कर लो. You make us, mad completely. So thank you for always entertaining us.
Thank you, Sachin. I'll think about it.
Can I just say that after a certain point, because everyone loved what Sumukhi was doing on set so much, they sent the sides with Kirtana's lines not there, and they just said, Sumukhi ko jo bhi karna hai, karne do. So she didn't have lines beyond a point. They were like, kya hi hai? Unko karne do. It was that good. So.
Imagine how cool is the writer to allow something like that. So really, thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
She's only hearing about it now.
Sorry, Neha, sorry.
It's a perfect combination. The writer and you go hand in hand. Wish you the best. Next up for Lisa. Hello, Lisa.
Hello. Ooh. I've been around a mic.
And you sound so cool. I wanted to change it. Yeah, she does. Well, आप हर रूप में छा जाती है. You've made such a mark with your music and your acting roles. Did anything surprise you about the character of Nikki?
Yeah. Oh, that's my face.
Oh, yeah.
In HD.
Spotlight.
I know. I think what was surprising was the intensity of the job. It's more so than the character, the type of acting we had to do, the hours, the effort, the thought that went into everything. I get to play, once you'll see the show, a really beautiful and delicate arc. And delivering that opposite my romantic interest was just incredible. So getting in that mood and mind frame every single day, preparing for that, having incredible mentors like Bhumi, who literally just talked me through, yeah. But I mean, when you have, shamelessly one of the industry's best actresses, helping you, coaching you through this process, because I've never been on a set this intense and big and full of, incredibly talented people, all teams, writing, directing, producing, everybody is just excellent at what they do and they're pros. When you have this on your side, it's like your secret weapon.
Yeah.
I know, but I gained one of my closest friends out of this process. I gained, so that's, I think the most unexpected part was the depth we had to reach to play these roles, but also this was the surprise for me.
And you aced it, must say. We're sure that filming and being on set would have been a riot, but what has been that one core memory for you?
I think it's the whole show, man. Everything, all of these cast, every day on set was just great, awesome. It's a true rom-com and light-hearted show, but I think at the base of it, somewhere, there are a lot of themes that are being explored and discussed, and it's done in a very light way. Like, it seeps into you, like you know it is, but it's not the one thing that you're talking about. And all of these characters are just crazy, let me tell you. On 9th May, you'll see all of us. And yeah, the whole of experience, everything was amazing.
And you've also added your tadka, so wish you the best.
Yeah, thank you.
And my last question is for Neha. Hi Neha.
Does this work? Yeah, it works.
लिखना एक कला भी है और जुनून भी है. But was it like much of a nail-biting roller coaster to ride this journey as it was for us to watch it through the trailer?
Wow. Yes. No. Yeah, definitely. I think what was most challenging about writing.
Mic a little closer if you can.
Sorry.
Thank you. Love the mic. Thank you.
What was most challenging and also fun about writing this show was that that intersection of comedy and drama, because comedy and drama are intrinsically interlinked via character, and when people are being funny on screen, they immediately reveal so much about character. And when you write drama, the key thing to figure out is the humanity of the character. So when you take the humanity and you take the funny, revealing aspects of comedy and put them together in a cauldron, the thing to do is to find the sur of the show, of acting, of what will everybody be doing. That sur, that tone is the key thing, and I think that's what we struggled and tried over years together, Rongita, Ishita, Tanya, for us to crack that tone and that fine line that exists between when a scene is funny and then in a split second it can also become dramatic. And when a scene is dramatic and the actors know that they are in that show, that it can in a split second become funny, and how revealing that can be, but never at the cost of comedy, to lose sight of the humanity of these characters. And I think what everyone has been saying is that, yes, they're funny, and yes, there's romance, but eventually these are personal, individual journeys for all of them, from Padmaja to Digvijay to Ginny to Aviraj to Sophia to everybody. There is something going on inside all of that, and I think that's what I really, really enjoyed writing a lot.
We want to know that which character's arc, apart from the one that you are playing, are you most excited for the audience to watch, and obviously why?
Oh, that's a very tough one.
Thank you.
I really enjoyed what Sakshi ma'am's character, the transition, her arc, what she goes through, because it's so refreshing to see a woman kind of hold on to her identity, what she wants, her desires, her wants, her heart, you know, and I think for me it's one of the most beautiful characters of the show. You know, I'm trying to not give away a lot, it's so tough. Okay, but I also feel what happens with Aviraj's character, Ishan's, is very, very sensitive. It's really beautiful.
Can I also answer that question?
I was just gonna ask.
I want to say, I think everybody has beautiful, beautiful arcs since you asked that question in the show. But the one that stands out to me the most is Zeenat Ji's. Because, you know, normally an arc goes like this, या तो नीचे से ऊपर चढ़ता है या ऐसे, वो ऊपर ही रहती हैं. I'm trying to avoid saying the word high. But she's truly the crown jewel of our show, and I'm so excited for everybody to see her in this.
Can't wait to watch it, guys. Thank you so much.
Next question, just wherever you are, you could raise your hand and then.
Hi,
yeah.
Bhumi. Hi, how are you? Good to see you. Hi, Ishan. Hello, everybody. Hey, Shah, this side.
Hello.
Firstly, Royals is royaling, I have to say. And my question's actually for Ishan and Bhumi both. But Bhumi, first of all, I have to say, I'm so happy to see you play a rich royal girl on screen. It was much needed. Like, I'm just genuinely very happy. Are you equally happy to do this?
Oh, I'm so thrilled. I'm glad you added on screen.
No, I believe you're rich and royal in reality.
No, but I was very, very thrilled, I think, because the show also gave me a chance to play around with my wardrobe, with makeup, which I love so, so deeply. And, but again, I've never chased playing an urban girl or, playing a character that's away from what I usually do. I always go for scripts. And when this show came my way, as I said earlier, I love love. I love a romance. But at the core, this show is so sensitive. It is so evolved. It is so progressive. There are such beautiful characters, and all of us have such wonderful arcs. Everybody that watches this show is going to find representation. And that's why I did it, Love, yes, it's a rom-com, but the romance that Sophia and Aviraj have is so classic that it's going to give you butterflies in your stomach and it's going to make your head turn round. But then it's also going to make you, tear up a little. So it's
we're waiting for
beautiful.
that. Lovely. Ishan, I'm actually going to ask you that. First of all, what a fresh pairing. Like, whoever did the casting, kudos. It's so amazing to see Ishan and Bhumi together. I love the chemistry. Okay, tell me, how easy was it for you guys to sort of crack it with one another? Like, did you guys know each other from before, or did you guys meet on
we
set?
didn't.
And like, how did it happen? Because the chemistry looks sizzling.
Thank you for saying that. I did not know Bhumi before, only socially we had met. And of course, admired her as an actress so much. And having been privy to her work, I think it was very interesting the second one finds out that you would see her in a role like this, like you correctly mentioned, because I would actually go as far as to say maybe it's closer to her actual personality than
that's true.
most parts you see her play. So as far as the chemistry, I think we had a significant amount of time together. Actually, I think we started prepping together first. And we did many readings, we did many exercises, and kind of just hung out. And I think we found our chemistry as Ishan and Bhumi, and then that kind of trickled its way into the show, even though it was no mean feat, because this is, like she said, a very classic romance. And they're heightened feelings, they're heightened situations, extraordinary situations.
A very different kind of situationship, then I must say.
Yeah, for sure. So I think each of us were having a lot of fun within our respective characters, and then we just tried to, play off of that chemistry and find the space in between. That's it.
Can I just...
I hope that answers your question.
Yeah,
Not
of
too
course,
cryptic.
of course, for sure.
I also want to just say something, is that I feel usually when you see a sizzling chemistry, just to act... क्या हो गया? अब मैं अपना जवाब भूल चुकी हूँ. Okay, we can continue. Yeah, sorry. So when you just see, when you appreciate, मैं आपके तरफ कैसे देख के अब जवाब दूँ? जब आप दो एक्टर्स की केमिस्ट्री को अप्रिशिएट करते हैं, आई थिंक मोस्ट टाइम्स इट्स जस्ट लाइक टू एक्टर्स. Don't laugh.
It's like Bhumi's
Okay,
back
no,
talking. and it's
question,
funny.
next question.
Yeah, I got the answer. I'm just going to leave it
Yeah.
at that. But
What
love
I
that.
was trying to say is that really, really deeply appreciate Ishan as an actor. And I think most times my job was so easy because we would just be there and there was, we never even really discussed it. It just happened. We just flow through our scenes, which is rare. And I really appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. Thank you, Aisha, for your question.
You're welcome.
Hi. Hello. Yeah, right here.
Hi. Right
Hi.
here onto my left.
Yes. Bhumi, my question is for you. Hi, this is Kunal here. I'm from IWM Bus. Straight.
Hi, Kunal.
Hi. So, it's pretty much picking on, what Ishan also mentioned, that this is the closest for you. The character is closest to you as a real person. And everybody knows that, you come with a sense of fierce, attitude and having an opinion as a person, as an actor, and that also, transcends to this character as well. But कितना difficult हो जाता है और कितना easy हो जाता है, because you also have your set of notions which cannot go beyond the script and at the same time somehow, balance that act.
Honestly, while filming for Royals, I realized that I'm so sorry, that I don't really have, कई बार होता है ना, जैसे मैंने जिस तरह के किरदार किए, I'm going to keep switching between English and Hindi, मेरे पास ना बहुत सारे क्रच होते थे, right? I would have some kind of a dialect, मेरे पास costume होता था. I'm so away from Bhumi. I never had to deal with my inhibitions, what I'm uncomfortable about, maybe with myself. through my characters. And there was a lot of comfort when I did that. When I was playing Sophia, she's so close to me. Her ideology, her faith, the things that she believes in, her passion, her want. You know, she has fire, and I think I have a lot of fire within me. She stands for what's right. And I think over there, I constantly had to just be at ease with who I am and be comfortable with the fact that there would be aspects of Bhumi that would be in Sophia, and that is okay. I had to make peace with the fact that the audience might see a very real part of me. And I tried battling ki nahi, kuch aur karenge, but I was like, it's okay. And I think that takes a lot of confidence and a lot of like prepping yourself that it's okay. It was actually therapeutic to me.
Thank you for your question.
Hi guys, this is Nawaz Kochra from Indian
On the other
Express. Indian Express screen. Hi.
Right there.
Yeah, so Bhumi and Ishan, I have questions for you all. Ishan, you mentioned that you are writing for passion these days.
Riding, horses.
Okay.
Let me specify.
Yeah.
Writing,
Just
Which is why I cross-checked. Also, Bhumi, I wanted to know from you that, you mentioned that romance is... so this question is for both of you all, actually. That, you mentioned romance is rare, and even Tanya mentioned that we get to see a very few romances these days. As artists, who've played some very interesting roles and, have quite an interesting filmography, today at this day and age, why do you all think, we as an industry have reduced the number of romantic films that we make?
No.
Yeah, but you're writing for passion now, so you must go first. That's what.
I'll write to you.
I, in the 90s, if you look at some of our superstars, they all have made their careers on the back of romance. And I feel today that genre is just not taken seriously. It's truly tough convincing people that you are in love with a stranger. And it's tough business. I don't know why do people not write enough, but I feel like there are always seasons. एक season चल रहा था, मुझे लगता है प्यार का season अब वापस आ गया है. बहुत, yeah. And you can clap louder. Because I feel like in the midst of all the testosterone and all the, आप समझ गए, I think it'll be nice. It'll be a breath of fresh air for royals to be here, and मजा आएगा. And I really hope royals के साथ कहीं ना कहीं हवा बदले and और romance लिखा जाए. मैं बहुत सारा romance कर रही हूँ पिक्चरों में. लेकिन
ईशान, आप क्या कहना है?
सर मुझे लगता है कि जैसे कहते हैं कि phases होते हैं, cyclic होती हैं चीज़ें. हमने इतने सारे रोमांस देखे हुए हैं और इतनी सारी लव स्टोरीज बन चुकी हैं कि शायद कुछ नया था नहीं कहने को, या फिर शायद क्रिएटर्स को ऐसे लगने लगा या ऑडियंसेस बोर हो गए. तो मुझे लगता है कि एक गैप रहा है, सिग्निफिकेंट गैप रहा है, इतना कि लोग मिस कर पाएँ. लेकिन अगर आप देखना चाहते हैं और लव स्टोरीज तो प्लीज़ गिव अस द encouragement and talk about it and push it out there. I think इस शो में ज़रूर मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि एक नयापन तो है. आई थिंक देयर इज़ सो मच मोर दैट मेक्स द रोमांस एक्साइटिंग देन जस्ट द केमिस्ट्री इन बिटवीन. इट्स ऑल्सो द कैरेक्टर्स इन द स्टोरी, एंड इट्स अ वेरी वेरी fresh take on a royal and a commoner, and most people actually thought that this was maybe a period piece when there were early talks about royals, etc. But I think that there is going to be a lot of freshness and newness to this. So maybe that's the reason. But मैं तो ज़रूर देखना चाहूँगा. I've been saying for a long time that I want to be a part of love stories. I only got to do one tragic love story in the beginning of my career, and then it's been 7 years since. So I had a lot of fun. मैंने तो दिल भर के बहुत मज़ा लिया, and I think that this is testament to the fact that people want to see more. Yeah.
Congratulations to all of you all. It's looking quite lovely.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello. Hi. Behind Ishan's back this time.
Hi.
We are alternating, so
Onto my
you
left.
will have to keep switching. Firstly, hi, this is Akash from HT City, and
Hey Akash.
Firstly, Ishan and Bhumi, loving you both. And I have been a witness, both of you. I have never seen anyone sound so excited for any project as I have seen you both for this one. So very happy that it's finally coming out. I will start my question with I have two questions. First one goes to the Royal Highness, Ishan. So, in a very colloquial term, I'll say you are in your snackable era right now. First, it started with the perfect couple, and now this one. You have got a lot of appreciation for your acting, but somewhere it is flattering to be kind of being seen so thirstily by everyone that you are kind of being right now.
Sorry, I missed the
How
last
amazing does it feel to be seen so thirstily? Because you have got your due and your appreciation for your acting, but somewhere now the looks part is also kind of being. I know objectification, we see it in a negative sense, but
नहीं, अब तो
right
कह दिया
now,
यार, अब तो कह
objectification
चुके।
right now that is happening with you, it's in the most positive way, but it's so amazing how much you are enjoying that.
Well,
आप कितने सेक्सी हैं पॉजिटिवली आप शर्ट उतारते क्यों नहीं पॉजिटिवली
look, it's flattering, and if it means more work, then I'm happy with it. कितने button खोलने हैं बता दो. But look, I think I've had a lot of fun with this specifically because this was not the kind of presentation that I've ever been afforded before, and there is truth to the fact that presentation से एक aura बनता है. और ये उस तरह का एक रोल है जो मुझे निभाने का मौका अब तक नहीं मिला है. इनफैक्ट बड़े पर्दे पर भी नहीं मिला है. सो आई थिंक I was really glad to jump into something like this that gave me, like the actor in me, the hungry, greedy actor, also something to chew on. But it had all of that grandiose and all of that beauty and all of that flair. And that's also a muscle as a performer that if you don't exercise it, you might lose it. So hopefully I was able to take my first baby steps and you'll enjoy it.
Yeah, you know, na, it's on OTT, so people like it more because they can rewind again and again and watch it again and again. So, like, that's there. But talking of snack, I have to ask the forever snack, Dino sir. So firstly, I have to say, like, your charm has not withered even a bit since we have first seen you from the ramp days to now. To get to be this playful man, because I have spoken to you before and I know this is the playful side that you are actually kind of imbibe in real life, to kind of present that on screen. How amazing is that, and how much do you think are people gonna love you after this show? Because I'm sure after the trailer, I am already doing that.
You're my favorite.
You're so kind. I like the first bit, the forever snack. That's very cool. I'm impressed. What's your name again?
Akash.
All right.
Thank you so much for asking.
We should go for coffee. No thoughts, please. All right. So I was kind of playing myself. This is me in real life. I love fun. I want to have fun. I think Rongita thinks I'm charming, and that's why she cast me. Don't you think so, Rongita? Oh, Tanya. Okay. The boss of Netflix. Chunky definitely knows I'm charming. But yeah, so it was just me playing me and having a lot of fun with this character. And Salahuddin is just wacky guy, and I'm on a normal day pretty wacky, and I'm mischievous, and I'm spicy. Yes. So yeah, I'm a spicy snack, which is good. I had fun. Thank you.
Thank you so much. And again, Bhumi, thank you so much. Love you a lot.
After that spicy questions, we have time for only 2 questions before we close the floor.
Rohit here. One question to the makers. Firstly, thank you, Netflix. It's a great event. To the makers, I'm in complete awe of Zeenat ji. She's not here. I want to ask the writer if you wrote this keeping Zeenat ji in mind, and also what was it like to direct her? Any scene that you can tell us, what is she like on the sets?
Actually, no, didn't write it with Zeenat ji in mind, but it was written for unknowingly someone like her with that kind of presence. The casting is entirely Rongita, so I'll just pass this on to her.
No, I think we wrote it, and then once Zeenat came on, and I'm fortunate that I can call her Zeenat because she insists on that and not ma'am, but Zeenat ma'am came on. We tweaked a lot of it to bring her into the role, because that was absolutely essential. You cannot have Zenith on stage and on screen without her being Zenith. So a lot of the nuances, a lot of the carriage, a lot of Majisa? Majisa is Zenith itself.
I just want to add to that. I just want to add to that. Actually, as we were writing, Zenith ma'am came out, on social media with this fab avatar of hers, which caught us all totally off guard. And we were like, oh my God, that's Majisa. Should we talk to her? And we spoke to her and it just happened. And that's really how the casting started falling into place, one character at a time. It was literally like, should we try this? And then it just happened. So it was literally like that.
Little known fact, she came in for the meeting, okay? And this shows just her grace and what she is, right? She came in for the meeting with her son, and she said, where do you want me to stand? So we said, ma'am, please sit. I've known Zenith since I was 9. And she said, no, but I thought I was here to audition for Majisa. And we said, no, if you will have Majisa, we would be grateful. So that is Zenith.
And the directors, please.
She is so gracious, and she still behaves like this is her first project. She came for all the readings. She came for her dance rehearsals. She would be so patient on set when I'm like freaking out. Oh my God, I'm making Zenith Aman wait for 2 hours. She's like, no, baby, this is your job. Our job is to wait and make it happen for you. I mean, I never thought that someone as legendary as Zenith Aman could be so gracious and so wonderful. And when you see her on screen, you'll see how amazing she is.
She's actually someone who, I just mentioned I had a lot of fun with everybody. And most of them I treated like my buddies. But with Zenith ma'am, I had this awe. And I didn't know how to direct her. But she would just walk in and she would embody Majisa so well. There were times when I didn't have to stick to the lines of the script. She did improvise and say it like Majisa would speak. So it was all her, actually. It just made our lives so much easier.
Thank you.
About you as an actor. Tell me, how is it to prep for this, get into this, that walk, and also your camaraderie with Zenith Aman. It's so funny, it's so endearing.
Thank you so much. It wasn't easy at all because I, for the longest, have played characters that have been on the other side of the table. So I have always been an Am Kumari. And this was for the first time that I got to see this life. I've not even seen this life in real, forget about experiencing it. So I come from a very basic background. I have played characters that were close to my background, and it never sort of, took me any preparation to be able to portray them. So for the first time when I got a call and I was told that this is the character, I thought, no, this can't be true because, no, I've never played this and it just doesn't seem real. And I was a Rani only for my mom because, from being her Bitya Rani to her Rani Beti, that's all, that was the closest I had come to being a Rani. But yeah, thanks. Thank you so much, Rongita. Thank you, Netflix. And thank you, the writer, the directors, to make me feel like one. And so when I was doing my first scene, I was very conscious because I didn't know how the royals think. Because for an actor, it's very important that what you're going to say, what you're going to do is at the back of your mind. And I had no clue, I had no reference point, nothing. And I started faking it. And that night I was very uncomfortable because I was like, no, I'm not getting it right and this is not the character. And I had to stop thinking like who I am and I had to start thinking like who I should be. And that's what I did. So from the time I did my makeup, which was, of course, again a very different thing. Rongita would insist that I put a red lipstick. And I would be like, no, please let me go with, you know, the neutral shades. And from there to the jewelry, to the costumes. I think the costume department did a fabulous job with it to make me look like one. And I think the jewelry also did its trick, its magic, because when you wore those sets, the jewelry, the earrings and the diamonds and all, somehow I think it sent a message to my brain that, oh, you're the queen. And I just carried that message with me when I went to the set. And yeah, pretty much that. So...
how about shooting with Zeenat Aman?
Oh, I feel so fortunate. I feel so lucky that most of my scenes are with her. And she's an icon. She's a diva. She doesn't have to do anything. She is. Yeah. And I got to learn so much from her. You know, I would just watch her, the way she would sit, the way she would talk. In fact, I learned so much from everyone over here, Ishan, Kavya, Vihan. No, really, because the way they carry themselves on the set, they're all the time they're joking, and just when they would say action, they would just get into the skin of the character, which took me the longest. For a lot of scenes, I would just sit quietly and they would think that, you know, maybe I am a quiet person, but I would be internally working like, no, you're the queen, think like a queen, think like a queen. And I would not let them distract me, so I would just keep to myself. And Chunky sir, and it was beautiful. I think everything was so nice, and I'm glad that we're doing this today, and all those days of preparation, because for me, every scene was a preparation, helped me do the walk today. So thank you so much.
Thank you, Sakshi.
We love you, Patty.
I also have a question for Bhumi. Bhumi, we were talking about romances, but it seems like romances are reigning in your filmography, because I know that you're also doing a film with Imran, which is a romantic dramedy. How excited are you to do that, which also marks Imran Khan's comeback? Say it, it's a Netflix film, I know.
I never speak of anything till something is officially announced. But coming back to Royals, I genuinely want to thank everybody that came here today. Thank you so much. And again, they are doing Bhumi. But I also feel like today would be incomplete without thanking everybody that worked on the show. All teams, every department, wardrobe, makeup, our beautiful DOP Neha, I think she did such a phenomenal job. You know, it felt so good जब आप एक set पे होते हो और आप खुद को देखते हो, मैंने कहा, wow, I'm looking so good. It's never happened to me. But all teams, production, direction, all ADs, all of our personal teams, thank you so much. And again, thank you everyone for coming here today.
Thank you, Bhumi. But